Hey guys, just wanted to close the loop on the demo. So there was two things I didn't show you. That was the Outlook with Cisco VMO plugin inside of Outlook, and then there was the Cisco Unity WebInbox for folks that may be on the internet and need to check their voicemail via a web browser. All right, so let's look at the Outlook VMO plugin first. If I double click a message, let me show you this first. I know this message is it's in my inbox. I know it's a voicemail because I see a number there at the end that it came from. So I can double click that. What happens in the background is this form loads up in the Outlook. All right, and that's what you see right here. It's a function of Outlook. That's how people can load forms and do plugins in Outlook, like similar to WebEx. WebEx has a plugin for Outlook. Anyway, so we can interact with this visually. You know, there's my play button, and there's my little scroll that's going to go across as it's playing. I got a volume button, and I have a volume scroll bar and a speed scroll bar, so I can speed up and slow down. The other thing that's kind of unique to this is, or I think is a neat feature, is my playback and recording devices. So playback devices, if I'm on my PC and I click play for this particular message, I can choose to have it play on my PC speakers or my phone. So maybe I always choose my phone because I'm at work, and when I click play, all I want it to do is just ring my desk phone, and I can pick it up and listen to that message for a little bit more privacy and things like that. And then I can interact or I can change my recording devices. So if I reply to this message, do I want it to call my phone when I hit reply so I can record a message, or do I just want to use my PC sound card with mic or my headset or what have you? Alright, so if I push play here, you can see that my scroll bar goes across, and I can rewind just by dragging it. I can pause it, you know, things like that. I can forward this to other folks, and the whole WAV file, it's just a WAV file that would go forward, so I can forward it to anybody I need to. Now, if the person I forward it to doesn't have VMO, it's just going to look like a WAV attachment, and they'll be able to, you know, play it with whatever they have on their PC, whether it be Windows Media Player, or if they have a Mac, you know, QuickTime, anything like that. So that's what that looks like. And I do have the ability to create a voice message. So I have a little button up here, and I can create a new voice message just by hitting that button. So maybe I want to interact and send a voice message, but I want to use my PC to do that. All right, and I can just record here, and then I have the same options here. I can, you know, my recording I can do with my PC, or if I want my phone to call me so I can record this message. All right, let's take a look at the Cisco Unity Connection Web Inbox. This is what this looks like. It's based on Java and QuickTime in the background. So this is just a web page, HTTPS, so it's secure using TLS. And then you can see very similar to all my other devices. The only one that kind of looked different was the Outlook one, right? So my iPhone, my phone, my web inbox, my iPad looks the same. So all those devices look the same. I have the same little green scroll bar. I have the play button. I have duration received, and then choose that. You see my little scroll bar goes across, and I can rewind it if I need to, and then play from there. All right, and then I can reply all if it was from a distro list, forward, unread, or mark unread, and then I can delete from here also. Now, of course, if I delete from here, you know, all my other devices, my phone, visual voicemail, my iPhone, my Droid, my iPad, whatever device that I have, that message disappears. As you can see here, even in Outlook, that message is gone. All right, so hopefully I closed the loop, and I think that's the only thing that the only two things that didn't work, or I didn't get to show you guys. So thanks for listening.